What's up everybody, it's Peter, welcome to the channel. And today I'm riding my son VESC XR. I kinda like it. I mean, it's plenty power, of course it's a VESC, 18S 2-piece moly cells P42A. It's the same battery pack as a GT, thank you. And I mean, it rides pretty good. Last fall time we did swap at a tire, and that's what I was gonna talk about. Actually, tire. It's Enduro from the Floatwheel, and the tire actually it's pretty good. The more we ride it, the more we like it. Plus, I did modify tread a little bit, and it's perform even much better than was before. And like I said, the modification, I mean, I was gonna show you the way it looks. Actually, right here, probably gonna stop it. Quick stop, I like it. And if you look at, I hope the camera is gonna show, I did a bunch extra cuts, and now there's no more big chunky blocks. And actually, the tire become more flexible. I mean, on off-road, road, on-road, off-road, perform much better. Also, this winter I did rode it on the snow as well, and it performs really good. I mean, for my winter activity, I really prefer to be on my BTG Monster VESC XR due to its bigger tire. Also has a modified tread, but this Enduro with this modification on the snow, it feels really good. It has a plenty grip. It's too bad I didn't try it on the snow without modification. I was gonna be honest, because I modified tire right when I install it. But it feels really good. Plus that modification, when you make more cuts and less chunky blocks, then you can pump it 1.5 to 2 pounds more pressure and feels equally comfortable as before, you know. And that's what I really like about this tire. Like I said, I mean, I don't have to go anymore 16.5 pounds. Now I can go 19.5 or so, and pretty much higher pressure, better mileage. I mean, range you get. And yeah, all around I really like it. It performs really good. And for the price, I got this tire on sale. I believe it's like $80, $90 or so, whatever it was. Well worth it. Well guys, pretty much that's all I got for this video.